guys, welcome to Native Kitchen. We are back again to this kitchen. We want to make a delicious meal. Okay, today we're making stew with cucumbers. Okay, I know you'll be wondering, how do you do that? How do you use cucumbers to make stew? Yes, that is what we're using. We're not using fresh tomato today, but we are using cucumbers. I know you will ask, what is happening? But don't worry, sit back and watch us do this. Let's go into the ingredients we'll be using to make this delicious stew. All right, guys, here is my seasoning cube, and here is my thyme. This is my seasoning powder. I have my chicken spice. I have my sliced onions. This is how I slice my onions whenever I'm making stew, round shape. Then I have 1 tablespoon of butter. If you want to know the brand of all the things I'm using, please hit the comment section. I'll be there to respond. All right, here is my fresh pepper. This is my curry powder. I have my salt. Here is my granite oil. Here is it. Ta-da. Okay. Okay, this is my tomato paste. If you want to know the brand, don't forget, hit the comment section. I will tell you everything, okay? Here is my chicken. Already marinated, steamed this already. Then I'll be using it to make the stew. You can also fry it if you want to fry. You can leave it like this and just use it to make your stew. But for me, I'll use it this way and make the stew. All right, guys. Then I have my chicken stock. Here is it. It's that I can't do without this. Every stock, I keep them, use it for my cooking. It's something else. I can't wait. All right, guys. Here is my cucumbers. Here is it. Looks so healthy and fresh. This is what we'll be using to make this stew. Okay, then I have my ripe plantain. Yes, I'll use this too, just to make the food enticing. I'll fry them and then use it to eat our food. Oh, here comes our rice. Here's our rice. This is about 3 cups of rice. We're using it to make this delicious breakfast. All right, guys, let's go into cooking. All right, guys, we'll go right away into washing our rice. Okay. Most persons just parboil your rice straight without washing, but it's still fine. But I would love to wash mine. So put in my water. Wash this. Okay. And with my pot, I'll pour it into my pot. And I'll add water. Add more water. Okay, that's okay. And I'll add salt to this. Okay. You can use your seasoning cube to do that. You can add seasoning cube to your rice and whatsoever. So we're going to boil this for 15 minutes. The next 15 minutes, this should be ready. Okay. All right, guys, while we're boiling our rice, we're going to peeling our cucumbers. Then we blend. All right. Yeah, my cucumbers. I'll have to peel this off. You peel off this. Okay. With my spoon, I'll do this. Okay, that's how you remove the seed faster. Okay, give that aside. Do the next one with your spoon. Get that out. Just divide it this way with your spoon. Do this. Okay. Right, guys, for this, you can actually blend it if you don't want to lose anything out of this. You can blend this Add little water and blend it, extract it, and then drink the water. Good to use it to check your weight. It clears your system. We all know the benefit of, and it helps you to feel free, clears your system. The benefit of cucumber, we all know it. It's not to be compared. Okay, guys. All right, let's go into blending this cucumbers. Then we go into the main and the next thing in our recipe. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna blend this. So this is what I'll do. I'll cut my cucumbers into my blender. I'll cut it into smaller particles. Okay, my blender is filled up. Then I'll add a little water for easy blending. Okay, guys. Then I'll blend. Okay. I'll blend it to a very smooth texture. I'll make sure I blend it completely. Seeing the power of a blender. Yeah. As you can see, there is no particles of the cucumber anymore. I'll blend it very well. Okay, it's completely blended right now. So I'll turn this off. Okay, here is it. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to filter this. Going to filter the water out, or what we call the extract. I'll filter the extract out. Okay. All right, to hasten this up with my spoon, I will do this. If I was using a cloth like chiffon material, I'll just squeeze it with my hand. The main thing is for us to get out this extract. Okay. Get this aside. All right, that is what I'll be using to make the stew. All right, guys, so we're going to prepping our plantain. So I'll be doing this. It's so ripe. Right, with this, my bowl, I'll be using the shape today. I'm not using the cube shape today. I'm using this cylindrical shape today. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. All right, the third one. And this. Put in my salt. And I'll mix it. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to fry this plantains. All right, let's fry. Okay, guys, I'll put on my gas. Then I'll pour in my groundnut oil. I'll keep this for 3 minutes to get hot. Then I can put in my plantains and I'll fry. I'll drop in my onions. Okay, the oil is hot now. My frying spoon, I'll add my plantain. Yeah, plantain is ready. Okay, guys. All right, guys, we're back making our stew. So put on my gas. Okay. I'll allow this pot to dry from the water. I'll go with my oil, groundnut oil. That's my groundnut oil. Then I'll go with my butter. Okay, just to help this out. Then I'll stir so that the butter will dissolve. Okay. Okay. That's okay. And I'll add little onions to it. Just there. Okay. Butter is dissolved now. All right. Okay. Then I'll bring in my tomato paste. All right, guys, tomato paste. Then I'll stir this. And then try to use my spatula to separate it, oil to mix completely, and then we cook. So I prefer mine this way. And I don't really like oily stew. So I don't pack too much of oil into my stew. I'm making stew, okay? So that is how I make mine. I don't like too much oil in it. In as much as you want to eat healthy, you have to mind the things you eat. Too much of oil, too much of everything generally is not good, okay? So, all right, I'll leave this and be turning it at intervals, okay? Till it's ready to be cooked properly. You can see my tomato paste is kind of ready. All right, you've seen? Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then you know that it's properly fried. Okay. It is actually foaming because of the butter I added to this. But if you're using just groundnut oil, you won't be finding this foam. Yeah, it's foaming because of the butter I added. So you don't have to worry. Okay. So right now I'll be going with my thyme. Add my thyme to the pot. I'll add my curry to the pot, my curry powder. Then I'll add the spice to it. Okay. Then I'll just add 1 cube of my seasoning cube. Remember, I have a stock to use, so I have to be careful with the way I spice. If you notice, I didn't add salt to this. I already have the stock right there. So it's from when I add my stock, that is when I'll know the quantity of spice to add more to this stew, so I don't overspice my stew. All right, guys. Yes, this is it. Allow this to cook more. It's turning. Okay. Okay. Now add my chicken spice, a little of it. Then I'll have a test of this to see what's it's really coming out of it. Mm, wow. Then the next thing is to introduce my stock into this. So I'll add my stock into my stew, not all of it. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll be adding it gradually so I could monitor my consistency. Okay, so adding my chicken. Yeah, adding my chicken. Last thing I'll add to this will be our cucumber paste. Yeah, this is it. Ooh. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. We've boiled this for just 2 minutes. Okay. So right now I'll be going in with my cucumber paste. Put that in. Okay. Put in my cucumber paste. All right. Then I'll stir this. Ooh. Okay. This is looking so beautiful, and the aroma is something else. Okay, have you seen? Yeah, guys, see this, see this. See the obstacles. All right, that is it. All right, guys, don't forget to try making this, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, comment, and like our videos. All right, guys, let's go into the most amazing part, testing the food. All right. Hey, guys, it's time to eat. Huh. You know what's really happening to me right now? You know when you finish making a very nice, beautiful, delicious delicacy and you serve it as beautiful as this? Ah, you'll be wondering, if I eat it now, I'll scatter it. That is exactly what is happening to me. But I don't have a choice. I have to test what I made, okay? All right, guys, let's test this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even know where to start from. Okay, because I love this fresh onions. I love fresh onions. So I'll be doing with that for a start. Okay, guys. Mm. Learn how to make this stew. Honestly, you will love it. Mm. Everything is tasting so nice. Mm. Mm. All right, guys. Please don't forget subscribe, share, comment, and like our videos. And we'll be back in the next video. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.